In front of me is a DOOGEE S55 Lite, and today I will show you how to bypass the Google verification screen. So as you can see, this device in front of me is actually locked and I could not progress without verifying the account. So to bypass it, you want to just go back to the first page. So let's go back to here and then tap on Vision Settings. And from here you will have TalkBack, so select that and enable it. Okay. I already went and muted that so the voice isn't so obnoxiously loud. So you will be on this screen now, and what you want to do is just draw an L on the screen like so and go into the TalkBack settings right here. Tap it once to select it and then double tap to actually go in there. And from here you want to hold volume up and down to disable TalkBack so we can actually scroll, because as you can see scrolling doesn't seem to work anymore. So volume up and down together, and you will see a message normally that will tell you to use shortcuts or not, and just can choose to dismiss it. And from here we're gonna go into help and feedback. So tap on help and feedback and then choose the first option about switch access for Android. And make sure you have internet, otherwise you won't be able to see the video. And you want to just tap on it now. Tap on it and you will see the clock icon for watch later. So you want to tap on it and we get taken to the web browser. So just accept and continue, and no thanks, we don't want to sign in. So from here, tap on the search field and type in HardReset.Info. Like so. Now once it loads, you want to go into the categories right here where the bars are and choose download. And in the search field, we're going to type in Android 8. So just dismiss the ad. Okay. Android 8 like so. And then just scroll down to the download right here. And once more scroll down below and tap on the download again. Continue and allow so we can actually download it. Just tap on download, doesn't really matter where, and then tap on OK to open it. Downloads, let's see. Okay, so it has just downloaded now. So tap on open or just go through the downloads and like I just did, try to open it from there if it doesn't show up as open. So now go into settings to enable unknown sources, because otherwise we cannot install it. So allow from this source and then go back. And now we can choose to install. Now once it installs, we're gonna open it. So open, and then choose Google Account Management APK install right here, and then choose for version 6.0. Then again go into the settings and allow unknown sources to be installed, and then tap on install. And once this has installed, we're just gonna click on done and go back to the bypass FRP app. And now we're gonna go with the other one, so bypass FRP. Tap on it and then choose browser sign in. And from here, tap on 3 little dots to in extended list and choose browser sign in again and confirm it. And now put in your desired new email address that you want to use, one that exists. If you don't have one, you can just go and create one and then use it. It just can be any kind of email. So I'm gonna use mine. Okay, so HardReset.Info or HardReset.Info1, and then I'm gonna put in my password. So you put yours. And then just sign in. So you'll see this, and you'll be back in the FRP bypass app. So basically the process is almost finished. What we want to do now is hold the power key and then select restart and confirm it. And basically what this did now is when we get to the setup again, we don't actually need to put any kind of account in there. It just considers the one that we have just used as the one that we need to put in, and it will automatically just go further without actually confronting us with the verification anymore. But once actually we set it up the device, we're gonna do a hard reset once more to remove any kind of data that has been left on this device. So let's wait for it to actually boot back up and then go through a quick setup. Was the one that we have just used previously, at least for me. Yours should be different. I'll keep in mind you don't want to spend too much time setting this up because we're going to do a hard reset anyway. Okay, so as you can see, we're in the home screen. So we want to go now into the settings. And there's this gear icon right here, so tap on it. And now scroll all the way down to settings, or system I meant to say. And then choose reset options. And then select erase all data, factory reset. Confirm it and erase everything. And now let's wait for the process to go fully through. Might take a couple minutes, so just be patient and I'll be back once it's finished. Okay, so as you can see, now the process is finished and we can now set up our device as we wish. Now I'm not going to connect to network due to the fact that once I do, it will try to look for updates and stuff like that, and it's just going to take a little bit too long, so I'm just going to skip it, which now is an option as well. Now once you connect to a network, you can also then log into your Google account and gain instant access to like App Store and stuff like that, or you can do that later as well. You can also add a fingerprint, it doesn't really matter now. The device is basically ready to be used. So as I said, set it up as you like. Now I'm gonna go back to the settings and open up the accounts just to show that there is nothing left over. So account right here. As you can see, there is no account of any sorts and you are free to use the device. Log in with your own one and there won't be any problem. So that is basically how you would perform a Google bypass on the DOOGEE S55 Lite. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.